With its innovative technology and wide range of options, the Osaki OS-4000 Massage Chair is a really sophisticated massage chair. The chair uses airbag technology, engineered to mimic the sensitive touch of human hands, and is designed to reduce gravitational pressure on the user's back, creating a state of deep relaxation. The speed and intensity are also easily adjusted, and body scan technology ensures that the user receives a massage which is sensitive to their shape. The shape of the Osaki OS-4000 has been designed to comfortably match the curvature of the spine, particularly the lumbar area. This makes the chair exceptionally relaxing to rest in and also helps to increase the effectiveness of the massage. It features zero-gravity positioning, which minimizes pressure on the user's spine. This is a particularly nice feature and helps to create a feeling of weightlessness and relaxation, particularly in the neck and back. The manufacturer claims that zero-gravity technology helps to correct spinal alignment, reduce stress on the heart, and even boost lung capacity. The rollers scan the body before beginning the massage to create a massage that is suited to the user's body type. This cutting-edge technology automatically adjusts according to the shape and size of the person in the chair, so they receive a massage which is tailored to their needs. The Osaki OS-4000 features a large main remote, so you can effortlessly browse through the various massage options. The main remote serves as the primary means of controlling the chair, but it also has a wireless controller, so you can easily control the chair's main functions even when you're in a reclining position. To summarize, the Osaki OS-4000 is a great all-around massage chair with all the state-of-the-art features you would expect from a high-end model. It is designed to adapt to the preferences and body type of its user for a sensitive and deeply relaxing massage.